come across something kind of interesting. Driving down the strip, I said, hey, there's some green stuff over here. Let's go take a look. And this is what we have today. Don't mind my voice. I was yelling too much last night. We're at Battlefield. Oh, look. You're going to see the importance of looking at this here in time to come. You gotta take a look. I love it. Can't imagine you sitting in here and have somebody shooting at you. I don't know. Whoa! I don't know what hardly any of this stuff is, or the correct names for it, but I do know that I like it. It's something that you know that you can take out for a ride and not scratch the paint on it. I could be wrong, but I think they called these the Jolly Green Giants. I think. I could be wrong, though. This whole front opens up like this. It's pretty cool. Here, we'll take a look inside there. You'll like it. Here's something fairly interesting. This here is an amphibious tank, which is kind of cool. Here's something kind of neat. This thing actually looks like it may actually see some battle. You see the scuff marks in the window where somebody's been shooting at it. See the windows? Here. Here. Little portholes here. These here are kind of all periscopes. You actually look at it down here. So if they shoot the window out here, your fat little head's right here. We like that just the other day. Here's the propulsion unit here. That's why I said this here is amphibious. Believe it or not, this big hunk of steel, it floats. I don't know what the hell that is. Silent run exhaust, maybe? I don't know. This here. This here is a custom Cadillac. Convertible Cadillac. It's customized. You can see the Cadillac emblem on the steering wheel. If you're all curious what it looks like when a tank runs over your car, this is what it looks like. Here's something interesting. These stars on this, somebody got the big idea to paint stars on them. It depends where they come from, which direction the stars pointers. I think Canadians pointed them down, US pointed them up. This door latch, if you're curious, is $1,200 for this. These hinges are worth $100 a piece. This here piece on the side, this is for packing landmines. And I guess ammunition boxes if you want. I don't know what year this is, but this here's a newer model. It's got chain tensioners right here on it. Right there. It's got chain tensioners on it. I tell you what, I've been on a lot of things, but nothing quite this cool.
Start up, I'll do a nice slow lap, and then once we've done a lap or two, I'll kick it off and go a little quicker for you.
Oh, well. Hey, look at this. I barely fit in the hole. Hey, it's a good thing I've been on a diet. You never get me out. Look at the stuff in here. Look at it. Tell you what, boys, accidental thing of a lifetime. We're down here at Battlefield Vegas. I tell you what, my friends, you need to come down here, look at some of this stuff, take some stuff for a rip, shoot some guns, hang out, have the time of your life. I'm gonna drive this thing. I'm gonna squish that Audi, because you know what? I really don't like Audis that much. I tell you what, been a reason I've been going on a diet. I couldn't fit in here last week. I tell you what, this thing ain't made for fat people, I'll tell you that much. Run over that car, I want the equivalent of stepping on a buggers with a felt like. Nothing. I'd like to dedicate this to grip. This is what you need to do to that Audi here's gripper. It wasn't my fault. I swear I didn't even see it. He took a left turn, and then all of a sudden it just happened. And I don't know. Somebody phone BCAA. I need a tow. Please. I tell you what. This, something I never expected to have happen today.
Listen, man, that's what Vegas is coming here to have fun and have dreams, right?
I tell you what, you're right, it is. But I never had a dream when I come here. I had one fulfilled and didn't even realize it was happening.
Yeah, it's a blast. We love seeing it put smiles on people's face when they come out. And we probably crush probably 25, 30 cars a month. We crush a lot of cars.
You couldn't start with a better car than that Audi. I hate Audis.